recession busting tips for you and your salon. Take a look at it like the stock baggage in your business is costing you a lot more money than you realize. What's the point of having a lot of stuff on your tester shelves that your stylists are using with your customers if they're not then upgrading your customers to buy those products? Your job as a salon owner team are not seeing sales as yet. Not feeling all salesy and hard sell and push your team feel confident and happy about selling products to their customers that they use on their hair. There's a lot of statistics around how customers who are being upgraded and buying products from you are more loyal, are more likely to refer their friend, have more services going forward. It is the number one sign that you have a customer that trusts the things that you're saying to them about their hair and how they need to look after it. That's how we create transformations in our business, not by just the 1 hour or 2 hour appointment they come to, but by the whole thorough unpacking and solution solving that you do when you want to transform the way they hear it. Really think about the stock part of your salon equation. Really clear about it coming in and going out and what's happening to it when it's in. And if you'd like to know more about that, send me a DM and I've got something to help.